This video is about the step-by-step procedure for the company registration process of the 𝘰𝘭𝘵 using the Crs Online system. Visit the 𝘰𝘭𝘵𝘮𝘱 website. Go to Services, then click Online Services. Go to CRS under the Integrated Information System. If you have no account, you may register by clicking Create an Account. In the next page, fill out the registration form. Please make sure that you provide an active email because this email will receive all the CRS notifications. Attached ID must be in JPG or PNG. After registration, proceed to the login page and enter your credentials. The next step is to register your establishment. On the dashboard page on Navigation area, click Add Establishment. Select what region your establishment is located and click Next. Search your company or establishment name. If it exists, select it and click Next. Upload required attachments. If it does not exist upon searching, click Not in the List button to proceed on adding new establishment and click Next. Then fill up the necessary information required in the fields provided. Industry classification will be required. If you are not familiar with your industry code, click the link provided. You will be directed to the website of Philippine Statistics Authority. Click the link to access. Type a keyword of your project and select the most applicable to your project. Then upload your authorization letter in PDF format, 𝘰𝘭𝘵. In the next page, an acknowledgement letter will be provided. This means your CRS application is now received by the 𝘰𝘭𝘵 Regional Office. Please note that the 𝘰𝘭𝘵 assigned personnel, based on the region where the establishment is located, will verify the request. After verification or checking, the status will be sent to your registered email. On the dashboard page of the company registration system, the client user can see the status of approved establishments and can update details on pending establishment list. To update permits of approved and pending establishments, click the file icon and you will be redirected to Permit per Establishment page. On the Permit per Establishment page, click the establishment you want to update. Simply input the permit number and click the upload icon.